Hey guys, what's up?
What's up, y'all?
This is
Jacksworldsoulties. Dance break. Okay, y'all. So guess what? We have a surprise. Hey, you thought you know what I was gonna say, huh?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
No.
Are you popping it? Are you?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
Oh no!
Okay, you are. Okay, guys, keep popping. But first of all, this is our video, a review video.
Yes.
So
And we got a new background as well.
we got a new background.
And I like it. It's like here. Yeah, it's like here in the YouTube.
Alright, y'all. Okay,
Who's gonna go first?
I will.
Huh?
Okay, guys. Makayla went outside today and she seen how many? At the doorstep?
Oh wait, hold on.
Packages?
3 packages.
Wow!
Packages!
Oh, just kidding. Nah.
Cold.
Look, I'm shivering. I'm pretending. I can shiver without if it's not even cold in here. Look.
Okay, you want to get back to the... Okay. So, we had 2 deliveries. 3. So...
There was a yellow package, an Everside Prime package, and a box. Well, the yellow packages was this, and it was.
So, we got 2 packages that we want to see.
And I hope not one is for me.
You hope it's for you?
Yes.
What makes you think it's for you?
Because I saw it on your shopping cart.
Hey!
And then I didn't see it no more.
Oops.
So I think you ordered it.
What?
Okay. So, guys, you wanna
Yes.
go in? But you gotta close your eyes. So, our package came today. It's supposed to came tomorrow, but it came today. Today, right now, today.
I'm getting it.
Close your eyes.
I'm getting it.
Are you excited?
Yes.
You excited?
Yes. I want to open my eyes.
No, get it. Okay, it's okay.
I'm not peeking.
Not peeking.
I'm not peeking.
Okay.
See, I'm not peeking.
So, hey, you are peeping.
No, I'm not.
Oh, we're going to get the first one. Come on. Oh, close your eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna just close my eyes and pick.
Okay, ready?
Fidget toy set!
Huh?
A fidget toy set!
Fidget toy set.
I've been begging her.
Fidget toy set? What is a fidget? Could you explain before we open it? What is a fidget toy set?
It's like my poppets I showed you, but different. It's for you. It's like stress relieving.
Stress relieving. So you
Yes.
got your baby voice on now? It's like stress relieving.
It's a stress
She's a kid again.
I can't wait. A wacky track.
What is that?
It's a wacky track.
So, guys, we have like 30 seconds.
There's a bunch of stuff in here. Let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
A marvelous.
What is it?
It's like for you can play with it and you can. It's like a maze for the ball, but it's not. In the wacky track.
What is a wacky?
Look.
Wacky.
Okay, let's go. A mini monkey noodle.
Monkey noodle.
Look. Yeah, Mickey. Oh wait, I think we have more monkey noodle. I want to get to the puzzle ball.
Oh,
wait, what? A pea popper. Pea popper? I know how to pop. This thing is hard to pop.
So I'm gonna lay it
look. Has a face. A
pea
little.
popper.
It has a little face.
So
I'm gonna open my puzzle ball.
I like the fidget. I'm old school.
Can you pour it out on the table?
Okay.
Just
pour it out. So
God.
today we got this box
full of fidgets.
filled.
Wait, is that it? That's it? That's the last fidget box, or there's something else? Cause I felt something else.
I don't know, man.
Maybe. I knew there was another one. Oh God. Look. See? Look. Look.
What is that?
It's a puzzle ball.
Guys, like,
It's a puzzle
I have
ball.
no clue what is all of this.
It's a puzzle ball. You have to match the colors when you mix them up. A chess ball! Wait, what is that? Oh yeah, I know what that is. It's slime.
I'm still digging.
Oh.
We almost
A
lost.
water timer!
A water timer?
Yes. It's like a timer, but it's a wood with water.
Okay.
What is
Man,
this?
we got everything.
Oh, I know this.
Anything else in here?
I know this. It's like a look. You can take this apart, but I know how. You can
Anything? Nothing else? So, guys, what is this called, Kai?
a fidget pack set. A fidget
A
set.
fidget toy set.
Do we have any more?
I don't know.
Let's see.
We gotta figure out what this is first.
Okay.
Pause moment. I don't know why we doing this. We just needed a pause break. This will be a good thumbnail.
Okay, give that to the video. Okay, now I'm gonna play with my puzzle ball. You have to figure out the color, so let's do it. So, I don't know how
What's this?
it's a water timer. You're supposed to time it.
I guess.
I'm trying to
What
figure
is
out
this.
a pop tube. Wait, can I see? Look.
I like that one.
It's an orange pop tube.
Oh, we got little balls.
No, those are for you can undo and then put it back together.
Take it off and put it back to.
Look. Wait, where's the green one? The fidget spinner.
She don't know which one to play with, guys. She. But y'all can
Look,
use it to balance
look,
it.
look. Look, I'm doing for her. I'm talented. I like this monkey noodle. I had one of those, but my blanket popped it. Oh my God, that's scary.
That is pretty cool.
True.
It looks
God.
nasty.
There goes the puzzle ball.
Well, we'll get the puzzle ball later.
Okay, yeah. It's like
What is
this is like I like this because it's like a marble. You gotta try to figure out where it goes. Well, I don't know where the marble went.
Let's just go back.
All you gotta do is look. Look. Look the lucky track. It's an L. Dang, that's big. A blue marble mush. I got a blue, orange, and a green
What
marble.
does this do?
This, you just put it up. What is this for?
I don't know. It looks messy.
Yeah, it does. We should save that.
Save this.
Wait, what is this? A fight chain!
What is that?
A fight chain?
How do you know all this stuff?
Fight chain, come out. A fight chain.
Yeah, this looks messy.
A fight chain.
How you do that? What is it?
See, look, you just. My favorite color is blue, so she knows my favorite color is blue and orange. So So she got me a lot of blue and orange.
Yeah,
You know I love blue.
I do. But this right here looks too messy.
Yeah, so we're gonna save that. Save that.
Yeah.
I love wacky. Wait, tell me your favorite one. My favorite one is the what's it called? The puzzle ball, but it just flew away like crazy.
I think I like the pea. You got
The pea popper. Look, see?
pea
Look,
popper.
look. Sync that together and build it back.
Oh, you build it back.
Yeah.
Pea
I
popper
thought
got
these-
me. Pea popper. I like pea popper.
Slinky! Woo, Slinky!
Woo.
Woo! A pop tube!
Oh, time ran out.
Let's
sit
start
back
it.
over.
3, 2, 1. Look at it! Look at it!
Paul.
Those, I don't know. I had one of those before, but they're supposed to be, look, they're stretchy. They're like stick figures.
I like that. I think
I like the pop tube. Monkey noodle, monkey noodle, monkey noodle, monkey noodle, monkey noodle. I didn't tell you this, Mama, but my favorite color is green because I like boogers. Just kidding. Now there goes the pop tube.
Wow.
I'm gonna show you all my fidgets. Look what you can do. It broke.
so. What's that called again?
A pop tube.
Pop tube. Pop tube. Pop.
Okay, now since we got into this, I gotta go get the puzzle ball.
Go get the puzzle ball.
I might need this.
Stay tuned, cause my car is going to get the puzzle ball. Tick tock, 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 tick. She ain't came back yet. I'm about to end the video. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
It's stuck.
I'm tired of saying tick tock.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
Yes.
We'll get it. Okay, guys, this is one of the surprise. Come back. Where you going? How can you leave? You just left the set.
Fine. I love.
Okay, so we got a couple of pieces.
I'm gonna
from-
put this on TikTok too.
Yeah.
Cause TikTok almost made me viral, but somebody got jealous, so they unfollowed me.
You got jealous?
Yes.
How many followers you had?
100. But if you're the one that got jealous and left, I'm suing you.
You gonna sue somebody for leaving you. Alright.
Cause it was my favorite. I was so excited and then I lost it.
Ready?
What is that? It's another box.
got-
I'm gonna. Can I do it again?
Okay. Hold on.
Oh gosh.
Dun, dun, dun.
What is this? Dang, there goes. That's it.
No, we got one more in there.
What?
What is
Hand
this?
spinner.
Hand spinner.
I guess. We gotta see what it is. Ooh. Get the box open. Ooh, well. A fidget spinners! Well, Mama, here's your old school. Wait, are these light up ones?
Oh,
They're
man.
light up ones! Let's
So we
open
got
them.
a hand spinner.
What's
What is it? How many? Why is it so many?
Because you ordered them.
I ain't fucking-
Mama,
What happened?
I can't light them up.
See, how you open it?
Just, look, just pop them open. Let's open all of them and see what colors they have. We have a lot of them. Dang, Mama, why you got so many?
Comment below. I'll donate fidget spinners to you because
Yes.
we got so many.
So many, we only need like 2 or 3. Yeah, we only need 3. So we'll give some to my cousins.
I like that. We got
Fidget spinners! I love the wacky track. I can just can't stop playing with them. Whoa!
Okay.
I'm surprised the blue one haven't gave out yet. It's spinning.
So we have fidget spinners. So we got every color.
Yes.
I think I like the gold.
Gosh.
Gold is my favorite.
Ah! Don't do that. It's gonna hurt. Whoa! Look, some of it's slowing down. Ooh, silver. They got pink. We got gold, red, silver,
This is
pink,
amazing.
green, and blue. My favorite color, blue.
Okay. So that was one.
Let's put them. Wait, we're not gonna put them back in the case?
We will.
Okay, yeah. Wait.
videos.
Oh. Mommy, I want to try this because I haven't tried it. Ooh.
One more.
Whoa. This the last one?
Yep.
A plastic poppet?
A plastic poppet? How many poppets do you need?
I don't know. This is a game.
Oh, that's a game. Game rule?
This one's not that cool. But.
So, the player who successfully forced the opponent to press the last bubble is the winner? How do you know who go first?
Youngest!
But the first player always wins.
I'm gonna pop it.
So,
wait, that's the
guys,
last one? Oh, no.
I had to sneak in one for her. Kyla has been excellent.
Yes.
In
I got all
school.
A's.
Yeah, whoop whoop. Shout out to Kai, all A's. So the story is, Makayla's been to 3 different schools
Yes.
this year. We've been moving around.
I've been trying to find a school where I can just stay at and be cool.
Yeah. So we had a little, bumps in the road. So we're traveling, trying to figure out.
What school I go to?
Yeah.
I've been
So
talking to you.
in the midst of her going to 3 different schools, she finally ended up in Atlanta.
And Liberty Point Elementary School.
Yeah, shout out to Liberty Point.
They've been teaching me so well, though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get the Fidget Pack.
Come back. We're almost finished.
Mom, look, squishy and the top 2 fell. Well, we only got one more package. Jeez.
So, are you back?
Yes,
You
I'm
back?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
You going anywhere else?
No.
You sure?
Yes.
Positive.
Possible.
Promise.
Promise.
Pinky swear.
Okay.
So, since I have your undivided attention. Oh, so you're gonna copy everything I say now? I want to clean my room today.
Yes, I will.
Whoa. I will eat all my vegetables.
Yes, I will.
Whoa. I will drink 5 bottles of water a day.
Yes, I will.
Whoa. Let me see how far I can take this. Anyway, I'm trying to...
I just love fidgets. Here, go.
Okay, you have to... Okay.
Okay. Water time. Okay, fine.
So, for you being the most amazing daughter anybody can ask for, the most perfect child ever, my most... You get the
You the only child.
Yeah.
I'm the child.
You the only But you're still the best.
Yes.
Even if I had another child, you still
I
be
got
the best.
4 brothers-in-law.
Yeah. So,
What is it?
close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close them. Are they closed? I see you peeking. I see you peeking.
I'm not peeking. I'm a baby.
Do you guys think she's peeking? I think she is. Okay.
Can I open them?
Not yet.
What is it?
5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready?
Yes.
Surprise!
What? I just saw it. A giant one and
Okay, I'll
a
hold
big
it. You hold it.
I'm loud. It's quiet.
She has a
Giant poppet. And I can put it on my backpack.
Huh? Oh no. No.
Why not?
So you like your giant pocket?
Yes, but it's hard to.
It's hard guys, this ends our video. Thanks for tuning in for our, what are we gonna call this? Or review or surprise at the
Fidget
door?
review.
Fidget review. Okay. I'm gonna roll with it. Okay guys, while she's playing with her new fidget whopper, knoppers, copper, whatever this is, we're gonna end the video. So
Thank you for watching.
what do you need to do?
Like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
For what channel?
Jacksworldsoulties.
Huh?
Peace.
Peace.